Welcome to another episode of Everyday Science. And in this episode, we're going to talk about magnets and magnetism and all the ways that it's used in the world around us. And I've got two young scientists from Kinard who are going to help me out with this. I've got Taylor and Bailey. Are you folks ready to do some experiments about magnetism?
Sure.
Oh, yeah. So come on and face the table. And look what we got on the table in front of us. We've got iron nails. We have Canadian coins. We have a rock shaped like a heart. And we have a bunch of hardware, and this is made out of steel. And you each have magnets appropriate for a show about magnetism. Excellent. And if you take your magnets and stick them to the devices on the table, what do you notice? Go ahead and try to pick some of the things up which are here.
They can't pick up the rock.
Can't pick up the rock. Can the rock pick up your magnet?
Yeah.
If you pick up the rock,
Stick.
would your magnet stick to it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So the rock is magnetic. And how about the
Coins.
nails?
Yeah.
Magnetic? Oh, yes. And the nuts? Magnetic,
Yes.
magnetic, excellent. And so these are all, and the coins, these are all made out of iron. This rock has actually got bands of iron inside it. You can see the dark bands that we have here. And that's actually magnetite. And it's pure enough iron that it actually can be magnetic. And then steel, of course, is based on iron. And we have actually iron nails. How about these ones right here? These are Canadian coins. These are actually quarters. They're not made out of iron. They're made out of something else.
Aluminum?
Aluminum, and they look kind of aluminum colored. And there's a coin that takes its name from the metal that they're made out of. So think about coins, silvery coins, smaller than a quarter.
Nickel.
Nickel. They're made out of nickel. And Canadian coinage is mostly made out of nickel. And as it turns out, nickel is magnetic. And so if you put your magnet next to it, all the coins will stick to it. And nickel is magnetic, and it's got some very special magnetic properties, which we'll talk about later. But when we're thinking about magnets, the first place we're going to start is with the idea that magnets stick to things. Oh, but there is so much more. Magnets do more than just sticking to things. And that's the kind of stuff we're going to talk about next.